This is a bird feeder at Highland Hill Farm. We have lots of doves and young sparrows that come and feed at our bird feeders. And we do feed birds because it's enjoyable to look out your window and see them feeding. However, there are other better ways to feed birds as well. And some of them, you don't get that enjoyment of actually physically seeing them all the time feeding, as they do at a bird feeder. But the natural native bird feeders, such as viburnums and winterberry hollies, are an excellent plant to plant in your landscape to attract birds. It gives them feed, it gives them cover. They do like those plants, and we have plenty of them here at Highland Hill Farm. We sell them as seedlings, transplants, and we have them potted as well as bulbed and burlapped. So we have a wide selection of trees and shrubs for you to come and see as you come and see our birds feeding at bird feeders and in the native habitats that we have around here for birds. But at any rate, when you come, you want to be able to buy quality seedlings and transplants. So you want to order early in the spring or in the late winter, because we'll run out of material in summer, and it's very difficult to plant a bare root seedling in the summer. So get your orders in early and call us to come and see birds at our Highland Hill Farm locations in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.